Oh my gosh, this might be the mail. And is this the mail? Oh my god! Okay, so cutting this video, the mail person is currently coming down the road. I am in the middle of filming a different YouTube video, but they are about to deliver the proofs for my novel. This is about to happen. Okay, I have to stop recording this video and hope I remember my place because I get to see the very first proofs of my novel. I'm so excited. I have not been this giddy about seeing a book since like my first few children's books. This is my first really thick novel. So I did write Endometriosis, which was a small memoir. It was only 100 pages. But this is going to be so good. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, they're coming. Okay, I will be right back for an unboxing. I will see you in just a bit. Excited. I'm so excited. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. So, hi, my name is Bethany Stahl. I'm a full-time author and illustrator, and we're going to skip this intro because I am too excited for today's video. So, I have written my first YA novel, and I have been working on a novel for years, and I am somebody who doesn't like to plot, so I was struggling with that book a lot, and I decided I will set that book and that series aside and work on a brand new series. So on January 1st, I decided to start this new book. Starting fresh, I decided to try plotting despite how much I hated it, and I decided to write a new series. That way, I was prepared for when I revisited my other series. But I've fallen in love with the series, and I've written it, and the proofs are here. So this is the proofs before they have been professionally edited. So this is for my beta readers. Now, what beta readers are going to do is I'm going to send copies out to them, and they will read the book and give me feedback, not on the grammar, not on the stuff that the editor will fix, but the overall story. Did they like the characters? Who was the bad guy? Who was the good guy? What did they think, the story purpose was? Was the twists and turns that I thought would be really exciting, were they exciting, or did you see it coming from a mile away? So just sort of general story feedback so I can polish it up before it hits the editor. But I cannot wait. I'm literally shaking. I have not been this excited to see a book since my very first to second, third book. I think after Save the Ocean, I was pretty much like, yeah, I'm an author, I write books. So, of course, I'm excited every time I see a proof, but it wasn't that magic of the first time. And I couldn't record the first time I ever opened one of my books. So, the day I published Goodnight Angels, I actually adopted one of our cats, and she was very malnutritioned and having a really hard time. So, she was wrapped up in my shirt. So, I actually had a very long day that day. I had the package in my hand of my very first book. Hi, sweetie. This is actually the cat down here we rescued that day. And I had her in my shirt, and I was getting ready to take care of things for her. And I sort of just opened the first book while I was like using the restroom and running around trying to prepare for this new cat that we had unexpectedly brought into our lives. So that couldn't have been recorded because I was a mess that day. So, but this time it can be recorded. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, they're upside down. So the back of the book is here. Oh my God. Let me put my scissors down. I don't know where to put these. There. I will totally remember where those are. Okay. So I see the back of the book. Oh my gosh, it's so big. So you guys, I haven't even seen the cover yet. Does it look okay? I don't know. Okay. Oh, that looks cool. So I see the spine. I haven't seen the top. Okay, I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. What? This is so cool. Wow. I have goosebumps. Cool. So my editing mind is already looking at the font. I need to fix it and I need to brighten it up. So I'm already like thinking of things I can change. So this is just a temporary cover, but I love it. Oh my God. Oh, no way. Oh my God, I'm tearing up. Wow, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Wow. No way. I am so happy. This is really cool. I love my job, guys. This is what I get to do for a living. So this is Tolerant. It is book 1 in the Diablerie trilogy. So I'm officially announcing it. Oh my God, guys. I can't even pull open the pages. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Okay, so what's really crazy is I think I messed up the formatting. No? No, the formatting looks okay. I do have a lot of space on the top, which I didn't realize I had. So I will get to fix that. But oh my gosh. I love this. Yeah, so I have a lot of room on the top and the bottom of my book. I think maybe I forgot to reduce those margins. So I will reduce that, but oh my gosh, look at my book. Okay, let's, one more. Oh, it's so cool. It's so cool. So I get to send these out to my beta readers and get to hear some really critical feedback so I can rework everything, and then I get to send it to a professional editor. But oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is crazy. It's gonna look so good up here. I cannot wait. So this is awesome. What? Oh my God. Yes, this is so cool. Oh, this is my book. Cool, so yeah, the only thing I think I would change is the margins. So since I haven't done a novel this big, I wasn't sure how much binding space the center margins would need. So I do need to close this in a little bit, and then yeah, top and bottom margins down. So I will lose some page count, but that's okay because this ended up being really long. So this, it can do with a little bit of thinning down of pages, despite the fact I love how thick this is right now. Oh my God, it's so nice. So nice. So awesome. Well, I hate to part with you guys' books, but you have to go see beta readers. Beta test 1. So if you're a beta reader, thank you for being a beta reader. I hope you enjoy the book, and it's coming your way now. If you're not a beta reader, you're just gonna have to wait till it publishes. I hope to have this book finished and finalized and published by August of 2022. So that sounds so far away, but I think by then I will have time to put in the feedback from the beta readers, give them time to read it. So I'm giving them quite a bit to read it. And then I will give my editor time to tear it apart once more so I can fix it again to give you guys a polished version. But wow, this is great. This is really cool. I'm really excited. Thank you guys for being here with me. If you are enjoying content like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you are super excited to see more about Tolerant, stay tuned because there is a lot more content about this book coming within the next year for its launch and release. And there's a lot that's going to be happening. So stay tuned to follow the journey. And I will be filming behind the scenes everything with this book. So I will see you all next time. Bye. Happy publishing. It doesn't smell like a bookstore though. Amazon, get on your bookstore smell. They need to sell that like in a perfume. Do you know the bookstore smell? It just doesn't smell right. Book smell, 0 out of 10. No, but honestly, I'm really happy.